You may not realize it, but without high-ticket sales or without the ability to earn high-ticket commissions, whether you're an affiliate, whether you sell your own product and services, whatever the case may be, you are missing out. If you don't have high-ticket in your business right now, you are missing out on literally tens of thousands and potentially later on hundreds of thousands of dollars being made every single month if you don't have high-ticket sales or high-ticket product and services being offered. Which is why today I'm going to walk you through why high-ticket sales is so important and why you need to make sure that you have high-ticket sales or high-ticket products and services offered in your funnels, in your marketing, in some part of your business. So first, most people ask and question, well, isn't it easier to sell products and services that cost less because more people are more likely to buy them? And the answer shortly is no, because think about it. Let's just say your goal is to earn $10,000 in a month. Is it easier for you to sell 2 $5,000 products or 100 $100 products? It's a lot easier to sell just 2. They may cost a lot. It may seem like it'll take a lot more work, but you can sell 2 $5,000 products in a much shorter amount of time. And as well, if you're really smart, what you do is you implement high ticket into your low ticket offers. So then among the months that you are offering your normal products and services, whether they're worth a few dozen dollars or a few $100s, you have in between certain times, once in a while, you'll get a $5,000, $10,000, $3,000 commission that will drastically increase and boost your ROI, or lifetime value of your customer and of your lead, and give you the ability to be in a lot more profit so you can start scaling a lot faster. I'm telling you, high ticket sales equals freedom of your lifestyle and your location, because again, you're able to produce so much in profit extra. You're able to again reinvest your money you're earning, your profit, this extra large chunks of profit into your sales process and back into your business, building your list, and thus getting more and more sales and more customers. And as well, it just gives you a lot more freedom of lifestyle and location because you have so much more profit. You can travel a lot more. You can have more freedom of time. You can feel more relaxed because you're going to be earning a lot more money in general in your business. So again, let's just go through really quickly how much easier it is to get larger commission sales of at least $1,000 and above. So if we wanted to make $100,000 in a month or in a year, you need one $100,000 sale. Or you would need only 10. Imagine if you want to make $100K a year or $100K in a month, only 10 $10,000 sales. Only 10. It would take only, it's a bit more, but 100 $1,000 sales. Which is, again, for most people, that starts to sound a little bit more doable. $1,000 sales, which even that is higher ticket than what most people offer. But for those of you who are thinking, oh no, it's a lot easier to do smaller and smaller ticket. All right, let's just say you earn $100 from a sale, whether you're an affiliate or you're selling your own product and services. You have to get 1,000 of those. 1,000 of those, and go through all of that ad spend to generate 1,000 of those first. And if you want to sell really small product and services where you earn itty bitty commissions, it's going to take you 10,000 times of selling those product and services in order to get there. So just trust me and trust all the other people who are moving to high ticket sales and high ticket product and services faster than anyone ever has before, because everyone is realizing, wow, high ticket is the path to freedom. High ticket can very quickly generate you enough income to not just build and scale your business, but to have a lot more freedom in your own life as well. So again, please make sure that you follow what I'm about to go through as well in this very short next section to make sure you are applying high ticket sales or high ticket products to your business and having them implemented in case you don't already. And if you do, maybe this will give you a few more ideas to learn from and to use to get some more high ticket sales and to maybe offer some different products and services that will get you some more profit. So number one, you can find an affiliate offer similar to the niche you are in. You want to make sure it has to do with the current product and services you are currently offering. You want to find a product that is above $1,000 to $2,000. I suggest, if you're just getting started out, to have the product and service you are selling. By the way, HTS means high ticket sales. You want to make sure that the product and service, if you're just getting started, I would suggest being between $2,000 and $10,000. Once you start selling a few of these a month, number one, you're going to notice a huge difference in your income, and you're also going to notice you have a lot more money to reinvest into your business. And that's also easier to do than you thought it was going to be. So if you don't want to create your own product and service, what you can do is find an affiliate offer, search on Google, search on YouTube for a product and service you can become an affiliate for that is similar to the current product and services you are offering, that would work in collaboration with what you are currently offering to your customers or to your list or to your clients. Number two, you can create your own coaching or consulting or group mentoring or personal one-on-one mentoring or a larger package. So for example, if you are offering and selling health supplements, you could have a huge box of 15 or 20 different products that you have in a single package that you charge a few $1,000s for or $1,000 for. And there's other ways you have to use your creativity to come up with different approaches to how you can start introducing higher ticket product and services to what you are offering. You can do this with done for you services, you can do this with funnel design, you can do this with copywriting, you can do this with a variety of different things. Whatever niche or industry you are in, there are many different ways you can start thinking about and incorporating and either creating or finding an affiliate offer in your area, in your niche, in services and products that are similar to what you're currently offering that will give you some great high ticket sales, some great high ticket commissions that will again give you a lot more freedom and allow you to have a lot more location, time, money, family freedom, and to earn a lot more in your business so you can start scaling and increasing how much you're spending on your ads to get more exposure and to finally bring your business to its 6 or 7 or 8 figure mark. And that really is all there is to it. I just want to do a quick video walking you guys through exactly what you need, why high ticket sales is so impactful, because again, it's going to allow you to have a lot more time, location, family, and financial freedom. And for you to make sure and look at a few examples of things you can use and apply in your own business to start making sure you have high ticket sales and high ticket commissions somewhere in your business. Again, you can create your own product or service. You can find an affiliate offer that is similar to what you are currently offering. And the best thing to do as well is to incorporate this high ticket offer into what you are already offering. So for example, maybe you have some product and services you are selling that cost and give you commissions of around a few dozen or a few $100s per one that's sold. You can incorporate this later on in your funnel or later on in your email series to make sure, even if it's 2 times a month, you get a $5,000 commission. Or if it's 5 times or 10 times a month, you get a $4,000 commission. This will drastically increase how much you're earning and allow you to truly start scaling forward and build your business much, much faster. So my friend, make sure you implement and start using high ticket sales immediately to enable yourself to get a lot more profit and so you can have a lot more freedom. Have a great day.